How you doing, guys? Hope you are well. I'm going to make one of the 5 mother sauces, a good old tomato sauce, a good everyday tomato sauce that you can make at home. Great for pizzas, great for meatballs, great for anything really. It's a good all-rounder of a sauce. I'm going to do a old-style Steve's cooking video. So yeah, I'm going to show you. Let's crack on. All right, first what we need to do is caramelize some onions. Slice the onions, but not too thin. We don't want them to burn. Get your flame on, add some olive oil, followed by the onions. Now we want to caramelize them, but I'm not going to fully caramelize them. That will take about an hour. Mine will take around about 20 minutes, but they will still be sweet. Oh, and have your flame on a medium heat. And by caramelizing the onions, it gives the sauce a natural sweetness instead of just sprinkling sugar in there. Really good. Look at that. That's what we want. Golden brown and sweet. Right, next, grab a pestle and mortar. Here I have anchovies and garlic. I know, there's a lot of people that don't like anchovies. Some do, some don't. Quite a lot of them don't. But it's the secret ingredients. You can't taste anchovies. It's just that it gives it that umami. It gives it that back flavor that you think, oh, that's nice. That's nice. It's not fishy or anything like that. Don't freak out. Give it a go. If you haven't tried it, or you're scared of it, just give it a go. Fantastic, like a paste with garlic. Beautiful. Right now, give them a good smash until you've got a paste. Next, remove the core from the tomatoes and cut them into quarters. Add the paste to the onions and cook out for about 1 minute. Next, add the tomatoes. And with the tomato skins, you can boil them for about 30 seconds, peel them off if that's what you want to do. I'm not bothered, I don't. They add great flavor as well to the sauce. You can do what I do, and then if you don't like the texture of the skins, you can put them in a blender, blitz it up, you'll never know. Beautiful. You just want to cook them until they break down. Won't take long, about 1 minute. Next, add passata. Passata is just pureed, strained, uncooked tomatoes. And for this sauce, try and get tomatoes on the vine. Keep that vine because it adds a fantastic flavor. It reminds me of my granddad's garden. It's got that earthy, beautiful smell, and add that to the sauce. It just gives it a nice earthy, natural flavor. Keep it. Add balsamic, water, and the vine. You want to bring this to a light boil, not a vigorous boil, a light boil, and simmer for about 20 minutes. And the great thing about this sauce is it's not runny. It's nice, rich, it's thick. Great. And the sauce is done. Rich, bright red, and so delicious. And that is one quick, easy tomato sauce. And at the end, obviously you can have basil or oregano, but I ain't got any of that, but parsley, just as good. Nice. I want this to be a nice fresh sauce. Just like a little bit. Get that in. Beautiful.